for you this afternoon is what's happening in the Indigo crisis, what's happening with the passengers. Amid Indigo turmoil on ground, Aviation Ministry has cracked the whip. Clear instructions, in fact, have been given to Indigo. They should clear all pending passenger refunds, and they should complete refunds by 8 p.m. on 7th of December. So that's the clear deadline that has come in from the Aviation Ministry. No rescheduling charges to be levied. Regulatory action on non-compliance is what the ministry has said. Indigo to set up passenger refund cells, baggage to be delivered within 48 hours, and it is a zero inconvenience policy that the Ministry of Civil Aviation has asked Indigo to follow. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Isha joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Finally, Ministry of Civil Aviation emphasizing that passengers cannot be inconvenienced, Isha, and also tell us a little bit about the specific directions that have gone from Ministry of Civil Aviation to Indigo when it comes to refunds and baggage handling.
Hina, as you rightly pointed out, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has now cracked a whip at Indigo. In fact, yesterday, the Civil Aviation Minister clarified that that Indigo will be held accountable and will have to give answers. In fact, a 24/7 control room has also been set up, which is also being monitored personally by the Civil Aviation Minister. But again, Hina, the question that we're asking is this too little too late? Because we have seen harrowing visuals from Delhi airport and other airports across India where passengers have been stranded. Their lives have been completely derailed because of the crisis at hand. But if we speak about this particular instruction that has come in from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has instructed Indigo to return back all the luggage of all passengers which has been displaced within 48 hours, and also said that all the refunds need to be processed as soon as possible. In fact, this MOCA has also put a deadline on Indigo here as well, stating that Indigo will have to come forward and quickly furnish all refunds which are currently pending. In fact, the number of people who have been struggling, who stranded, is large in number. So of course Indigo will take its time to actually give it back to these people as well. In fact, while we were speaking to passengers, they continuously told us that there were only hollow promises that the airline has offered, and there is actually no ground staff as well to answer them. But MOCA cracking a whip here.
All right, Isha, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. In fact, we have more updates and clearly more relief, we can say, coming in for the passengers who are being inconvenienced on a daily basis. This is the 5th day today, viewers, as far as the Indigo crisis is concerned. And remember, the ticket prices have skyrocketed. Now some relief is coming your way, air travelers. This is what the Aviation Ministry has said. Aviation Ministry has stepped in as far as the operational crisis of Indigo is concerned. We are now learning that Aviation Ministry has invoked its regulatory powers to rein in soaring airfares. The government says some airlines were charging unusually high prices due to the disruption, putting passengers under more stress. A fresh directive now mandates strict adherence to newly prescribed fare caps across all affected routes. Now, these limits will stay in place until the situation stabilizes. The ministry also says that the move is aimed at preventing opportunistic pricing and protecting vulnerable air travelers, including senior citizens, students, medical passengers, etc. Officials also say fare levels will be monitored in real time, and any kind of violation is going to invite immediate action in public interest. So some strict directions coming in from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Let's also tell you a little bit more about what's happening. Now, Civil Aviation Ministry, at the center of this controversy, woke up to the chaos after 4 long days. Since Indigo said it wasn't in a position to fix things before February 10th, the government buckled in and overturned the new pilot rules, which essentially were instituted for flight safety. They also ordered a high-level inquiry into the mess and directed the airline and all aviation authorities to take immediate measures. The big question, however, is the government diluting norms in the name of protection to flyers?
On the airlines part, we have observed this miscalculation from the Indigo part, and we have ordered a strict inquiry into it. The inquiry is going to start, and as we find the details of the inquiry, we are going to take strict action.
So you heard what Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu had to say. Remember, this is the 5th day today. We have seen mass cancellations of Indigo flights over the last 4 days specifically. And the reason, of course, is the new FDTL norms. Now, some relaxation has also been given from the ministry side to the airline, and focus is now going to shift to the flights that have already been cancelled. How soon can Indigo ensure people get their refund? Because flights were cancelled because of mismanagement from the airline side, and passengers eventually had to suffer. And the focus now clearly is going to be on passengers' rights. And in fact, we have a report also that we have got for you from Bengaluru Airport. Chaos, in fact, erupted at Bengaluru Airport as several flights were cancelled without any prior notice, leaving passengers absolutely confused, stranded, and literally struggling to get updates. Take a look.
Well, clearly no respite for Indigo passengers as the crisis still continues. Bringing you this report from the Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru, where, it's just been a harrowing experience that passengers have been having at the hands of one of the largest airlines in the country. Well, you talk to passengers here, they say that the worst part about all of this is there is no clear communication from the airline. Most of the flights over here are either cancelled or are being indefinitely delayed. We spoke to many passengers. They say that it's reached a point where they're even able to print their boarding passes, but the flight gets cancelled right after.
Actually, there are no clear communications. There is a lack of communication even between the CISF staff and the Indigo crew members. Second thing is about the consistent delays, right? They are not giving any prior information, intimation or notification in any way. We do not have any other sources to know like what is the status and how it is going on. There are situations when they are just cancelling the flights 15 to 20 minutes before. So yeah, this is the situation. It's a worse situation.
कैंसल हो गई हमारी, मेरी बेटी की एंगेजमेंट है आज
जी। अच्छा।
हाँ, वो पूछने गई तो उसको नंबर आगे भी नहीं जाने दे रहे, क्यों में जा रहे, जाओ बोल रहे।
अच्छा।
उसकी एंगेजमेंट है, देखो ये सब सामान उसका, उसके हाथ की मेहंदी देखो, मेरे हाथ की मेहंदी देखो। आज शाम को 7 बजे उसकी एंगेजमेंट है।
You have a bride's mother who's quite literally, in fact, sitting here with her luggage saying that their engagement is having to be cancelled now, likely owing to all of these flight delays. Absolute uncertainty. Of course, Times Now's conversation with the Civil Aviation Ministry suggested that they're trying to work on better communication with the passengers. Of course, we'll really have to hope and see as to when there's some sort of resolution to this. While, of course, Indigo has been claiming that they're working on this, evidently on ground is painting a very different picture. With video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Times Now from Bengaluru.
Let's now